Welcome to the weather broadcast for today, Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025. From our studios in Jimmy, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. As we take a look at this surface analysis here with Dominica in the green circle, I can tell you that there are two tropical waves analyzed out in the Atlantic. This first wave here in the central Atlantic expected to approach the area by Friday, and the second wave here out in the far eastern Atlantic expected to approach the area by, say, around Sunday. Let's take a look at the convection associated. Here we can see the disorganized convection associated with that first wave, and this second area of increased convection, which is also disorganized, associated with that second wave, expected to approach the area by Sunday. We have Dominica here in the green circle. We can see a drying observed here before the approach of this tropical wave, so we can expect to see some siren dust in the region of Dominica before the approach of these waves. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with these features, here we can see the moisture associated with that first wave here in the region of 40 degrees west, and moisture associated with that second wave here. That moisture is seen in purple, so that means that there's an increase in moisture levels associated with these waves as they continue to move westward, approaching the area of Dominica. A slight glitch in the image here. Now let's take a look at the Saharan air layer or Saharan dust. Here we can see the movement of Saharan dust as Saharan dust continues to linger across the Atlantic Ocean, and this is hindering the development of tropical waves at these times. But we can tell you that we expect to see Saharan dust being maintained across the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica, so we're advising people with respiratory sensitivities to be on alert and to exercise some caution. Now, taking a look at earlier satellite imagery, we can see the movement of clouds associated with that first tropical wave here, and also that second tropical wave, which seems to be a little bit more organized than this one as they continues to move towards the area of the Lesser Antilles, including Dominica here in that green circle. Now, taking a closer look at what transpired across Dominica, we had an increasing cloudiness across the island, and this resulted in partly cloudy to cloudy skies across Dominica. Now, taking a look at earlier radar imagery and what it indicated, a few scattered showers, some light to moderate scattered showers moved across mainly the central and southern portion of Dominica, and an increase in scattered showers off to the northeast, and this is in association with a trough system which continues to affect the island or the area of Dominica. Now let's take a look at tonight's weather. Tonight's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy and slightly hazy with a few passing showers, with temperatures expected to be down to 23 degrees Celsius on the western coast, 22 degrees Celsius in the interior, and 24 degrees Celsius on the eastern coast. And tomorrow's weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy and slightly hazy with a few scattered showers as well, with temperatures expected to be up to 33 degrees Celsius on the western coast, 29 degrees Celsius in the interior, and 30 degrees Celsius on the eastern coast. We can expect to see a relatively dry atmosphere during tomorrow affecting Dominica. Now let's take a look at our marine forecast. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking up to 1.5 meters or up to 5 feet. Not much of concern for sea conditions during tomorrow. High tide tomorrow will be at 8:51 a.m. and 9:01 p.m. and low tide expected to be at 3:20 a.m. and 2:51 p.m. Again, for the next 3 days, partly cloudy to occasionally cloudy skies and slightly hazy conditions can be expected with a few passing showers tomorrow. And as we move into late Thursday and jumping into Friday, we expect to see an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms due to the approach of that tropical wave expected to affect the area on Friday. So we're advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise caution during Friday. However, by Saturday, we expect to see a relative reduction in moisture levels, with conditions being partly cloudy to cloudy and slightly hazy with a few passing showers. Winds are expected to vary between east-northeast to east-southeast between 30 to 35 kilometers per hour throughout the 3-day period, and we also expect to see an increase in wave heights, with wave heights going from 5 feet up to 7 feet on Friday and Saturday as well. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:47 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:36 p.m. Don't forget, stay informed, stay safe. Scan our QR code here to follow us on our WhatsApp channel and also on our other social media platforms, which is Facebook as well as Instagram, and also visit our website at weather.gov.dm for up-to-date weather information. Thank you for joining me. See you again next time. Stay safe. Take care.